Hoarder homes are a disaster to sell with all of their value lost under a pile of pop cans and 30-year-old newspapers, but with the tips that I'm going to share with you today, you will be able to show buyers the true value of the home underneath all of this trash so you can sell this listing. Selling a hoarder home is kind of like a grocery store trying to sell overripe fruit. If there's any color changes, bruising, or brown spots, these products are going to have a harder time getting picked than I do on Tinder. But grocers know how to find the positives, like how overripe bananas are perfect for making banana bread right now. Hoarder homes are kind of like overripe bananas, so all we have to do is find the positives within the deficiencies of the home and prove that there is more value than the buyer might think. So here's the situation. You get a new listing that you would love to be excited about, except for it's about as difficult as it gets because it's a hoarder home. There's food on the floor, there is a narrow path through the living room, and you can't even see the bed in the primary bedroom because it's covered in junk. And oh yes, you've stepped in dog poop twice. Yes, you, not me, never me, and my poor socks. There is no way this home will sell for what it should be valued at, or maybe not at all. The problem with hoarder homes is buyers can't see the potential in the home. All the value is immediately lost, and buyers will be rightly concerned about what issues could be hiding under that junk. If buyers can't see the potential in the home and they are concerned about underlying issues, they are not going to make an offer, or they are going to make a lowball offer in hopes that your seller gets desperate. This is a great way to pile stress on your life and lose money if you invest your services trying to sell a pile of garbage. There is a solution for this situation, however: gas and a pack of matches. I'm just kidding. Maybe. The key to improve this kind of listing is to show the highlights, prove there is high value, and show that there is no underlying issues. The first problem with a hoarder home is buyers can't see the potential. Underneath all of that mess could be a beautiful home, but buyers can't see it because of all the newspapers. Now, this could be great for someone that's training a puppy, but realistically, that only works for about 2 weeks. What we need to do is show buyers the potential that's lying underneath, and the way that we are going to do that is with 2D floor plans and photos that have been digitally decluttered. The first solution is a 2D floor plan. 2D floor plans are perfect for hoarder homes because there won't be any junk in the floor plan, and this is a great opportunity to show how much space there is in the home, and if there is a unique floor plan, it will stand out. Buyers can actually envision themselves living in the space with their furniture, which is going to get them excited about the potential, and this is very important. Another option is to digitally declutter a room. This is a great way to show buyers what the room could like without all of the clutter. Now you could go one step further and do a digital stage in this room to show it at its best. Now that said, there may be some rooms that have so much clutter that it's not possible to digitally remove it, so it might not work in every scenario, or you might need to remove some junk to make it work. Problem number 2 is this home has low value. Homes in this state of disrepair will without a doubt drop in value, which is not great for you or your seller. The solution for this problem is to use detailed photos to focus on valuable features and benefits and isolate them from the rest of the house. Close-up photos of the furnace, the AC unit, or the roof, if they are in good condition, will show buyers that there are good things going on with this listing and there won't be any added expenses after the purchase. People buy benefits, so make sure to show as many as you possibly can. Are there any hardwood floors hiding underneath the carpet? Make sure to take a pic of that and show the hidden value. This is just like my dating profile, where I only focus on the highlights, like the fact that I still have all of my hair, and that's actually pretty much it, and probably why I'm still in the market. The backyard can be a huge opportunity to show value, but if the yard is full of junk as well, just make sure to use drone photos to highlight the neighborhood. If it's walking distance to parks, schools, and shopping, the convenience value is going to go way up. A few nice yards in the neighborhood will show the potential of your listing, and it will distract from the mess. And if the buyer's only objection is the junk in the yard, well, that's all going to be removed before possession, so they have no reason to say no. Problem number 3 is potential hidden issues underneath all of that mess, and this is a really important one that you need to address. If the buyer couldn't be bothered to clean their home, what types of maintenance couldn't they be bothered to do as well? Are there any water leaks, cracks in the foundation, or deteriorating appliances? This will be too much for most people, and they will move on to another home. The solution for overcoming potential hidden issues is to use close-up photos and document as many common problems as possible and show that they are no issue. If you can take away these objections and prove that all you need to do is remove the garbage and give it a fresh coat of paint, well, all of a sudden this goes from a disaster to a home that just needs a little love and care. So take some photos to show that the walls don't have any cracks, the furnace has a little bit of life left in it, and show that the roof doesn't need any new shingles anytime soon. Of course, even with these fixes, selling a hoarder home is going to be a challenge, especially when you are stacked up with beautiful homes down the street. But if you can find the home's banana bread potential, you are going to be able to create new opportunities and sell the listing for more money. Thank you very much for watching the video today, and if you want to stay ahead of your competition, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get the very best real estate marketing tips and advice first. And remember, as always, stand out, sell more, and rebel against bad marketing. I'll see you in the next one.